on, man. What the heck?
Hey, hey.
What?
You ready to do my...
What?
We got to do my video.
What video?
My YouTube video.
Oh.
We got to do the giveaway.
Did you get somebody?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
I did, yes.
What's that?
On my Facebook.
Hold on, let me pause this game and turn it off.
Yeah, come on, get off of that thing.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
What?
Are you ready now?
I'm ready.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. We're back to give away something.
Not Sadie.
Not Sadie.
Off the table,
I had to get her down. But anyways, we found somebody on my Facebook page actually that knows somebody that can use something. Instead of a uni filter, it was something else that they wanted.
Clutch kit.
A clutch kit.
To help an older gentleman be able to drive his rig.
Yes, exactly.
Which is the kind of thing that we was really looking for.
Yes.
Because we're not trying to just give stuff away to give stuff away. We're trying to give stuff away to actually help people.
To help somebody.
And it's really hard to decipher who's telling stories and who's telling the truth. And we could be wrong, but I feel better with that one.
Yeah, we both like that one.
Yeah.
We went through all of them, and
you always have, when you try to give something away, you always have people who lie a little bit to try and get something for free.
But I really believe this one.
Yeah.
And his wife is a teacher too, so you know that's
right.
That's a very nice thing to do.
They don't make a lot of money and they put up with brats. I mean,
hey.
they have to do math classes and all that stuff. It's really hard. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, well, let's see.
Let's hear the story.
Yes, I will. I will read it. I got to get on my phone first. Okay, so the person that is on my channel, she is a subscriber. Her name is, I don't want to butcher it.
That's all right. I understand.
Okay, so her name is Canella Miracle. I think every time I post something, she always posts, so, you know. But anyway, she had said, I've got a great couple that could really use a new clutch kit for their U-Force. They are always helping everyone else. He is disabled, and she is a teacher.
Oh.
So I think that's a very good one.
Here's one thing I'm going to throw in there. I think I'm going to go ahead and give him an air filter too.
Okay.
Clutch kit and an air filter.
Okay. I think
so. We're going to hook him up.
Maybe give him some stickers too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We'll give him some stickers. I won't give him the piss on Polaris stickers.
No, we won't do that.
So we're going to give him a Cfmoto clutch kit and a Cfmoto air filter. For his Cfmoto U-Force, what is it, 1000?
She didn't say. She just said they're U-Force. So she'll have to message me or message you to let you know exactly the details.
Have to message me. The easiest way to do that is to go to my website, www.rngperformance.net, and scroll down to the bottom where it says Contact Us. Send us a message. Send us a chat. Email. I don't
really check that too much.
I do, but I try not to mess with the email thing, but I'll see it if you do. But yeah, we'll give out a air filter and a clutch kit to this gentleman.
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
Yep, we'll hook them up. Now, one thing, we are back ordered on most of the clutch kits, so it's going to be a little while, but if you get a hold of me, I'll get your address and I'll get you written down for a kit and an air filter, and we'll be able to get it out to you.
Yes.
Yep. So
I think that was a good one.
Now that we got that out of the way, what's your plan for Bandit?
What's my plan for Bandit?
Yeah, you got any more plans for Bandit?
I think we're thinking about getting a steering wheel for him, a different steering wheel, a shifter.
Yep, I'm working on that.
And we got to be able to put the bumper on.
Yep, waiting on the bumper to get done.
And the headache rack, we're waiting on that.
And turn signals in the
rear. And turn signals in my horn. Gotta get my horn fixed.
Waiting on title, so because they screwed up my title, so they had to fix it. I'm waiting on that so we can get it street legal.
Yep.
Yeah.
And something you got to work on my clutch.
I'm changing up. Yeah. Well, we're testing.
We're testing to see what we're gonna like.
We're testing things because I have a new Helix coming.
Oh, okay.
To town.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see how that goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be a Helix that's driven for a mixture of off-road and on-road.
That'd be cool.
The kind of riding that we do.
Because we do both.
Yeah. So it's kind of like it's going to be a mixture between the stock and our big tire. Okay. So we'll get that low-end torque down low where we need it, and hopefully be able to keep top speed.
Okay.
Or if not, gain a little more.
You're the pro on that. So,
I'm the pro, so
you know what you're doing with that.
yeah, we got.
I'll be
stuff.
happy either way.
Yeah, we got some stuff coming that we're testing. So
I just can't wait to drive.
It's gonna be a while.
I just can't wait.
It's gonna be a while for that Helix, but
but it'll be all right.
yeah, because we got to test it. We got to test it first. It's uncharted territories. What we're doing, we don't even know if it's gonna work. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see if it will.
I wanted to tell you guys though, I am so excited. And I just can't believe it. On Facebook, I have, let me see, let me go back here. I have, hold on, 242 followers on here.
Woo-wee.
And I have 85 likes, which is awesome.
On Facebook is what, Miss RNG, MRS RNG?
Yes, that's me. And then my YouTube, I haven't really checked my YouTube to see how many followers I have. Let's see. I had 254 followers on YouTube.
You're doing pretty good.
So I think that's awesome.
So these guys will share these videos, and we can't wait for summer to come where we can get you outside and get doing some videos outside.
You'll get to see some riding videos. I'm excited for it.
We'll be able to put some riding videos on her channel for you guys.
Yep.
And so maybe we'll be able to post a little bit more videos in the summertime.
Yeah, because right now it's crappy. It's snowing out. It's cold.
Yeah.
And I know other people like riding in the snow and that, but
She doesn't.
I don't really like riding in the snow.
She don't want to go outside in the snow.
So I used to when I was little, but now I'm
Old?
too old. You're not nice.
It happens.
I
it
know.
happens.
But,
So yeah, there's that. And
so I hope Canela Miracle, you get a hold of Mr. RNG and let him know the people's name or whoever we got to get in contact with.
Give us an address.
Yeah. So we can give them their...
We'll get stuff shipped out ASAP, as soon as we can.
Yes.
But keep in mind, we do have a list of people for clutch kits that keep ordering every day, all day.
Yeah.
And we have to take care of those people first.
Yeah, because they're on the list first.
Yep.
And then we will get that shipped out.
So.
All right, guys. Thank you for another... I guess for me doing another video. I appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, liking my channels. Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye.